We are SYR, the brand for water in over 160 countries protected and to be experienced all over the world. We manage water and heat safely with innovative products, cleverly designed, connected and always smart. We think ahead, we anticipate, we develop and we test, and we keep on improving SYR for everyone. We provide training, exchange, support and further education because we love to share our knowledge and continue to learn ourselves. Our products satisfy the highest demands, and so do we and our teams. That's what sets us apart. We manufacture and produce according to the latest standards and with the highest capacity. We do so in Germany, in Poland, in Belgium. We focus on the future, from material selection to process optimization, and we always keep it state of the art. We love what we do and why we do it. We are strong. We are reliable. We, all together, are SYR.